Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Harbour City has been giving out lots of coupons recently. You can save $100 for every $200 that you spend with the coupons. It so happens that 3 on Canton at Harbour City is having a new theme on their afternoon tea. With the coupons, we are going to have this beautiful afternoon tea for half price today. The theme for this afternoon tea is Love You Some More. It's a very girly afternoon tea with a pink theme. I love the presentation of this afternoon tea. Dry ice is used for creating a beautiful smoke effect. Let's talk about the food now. Coming first is the mushroom burger with cheese and tomatoes. The bread mushroom is hot and crispy, with half melted cheese and salad underneath. Coming next is the Saffron Scallop with cauliflower dip. The scallop is fresh, with a natural sweetness. The cherry tomato with buffalo ball is nothing special, unfortunately. Then we have smoked salmon. It's presented in the shape of a rose. The scone has a nice buttery taste and it isn't too sweet. It is a little bit too moist for my taste though. Let's have a look at the desserts. It is a white chocolate shell topped with citrus fruit, yogurt, and a light rosé foam. Here comes my favorite dessert. This is so cute. Inside the chocolate sphere is yuzu mousse and cooked apple. We are finishing off the afternoon tea with a strawberry tart filled with vanilla custard and rosé jam. If you fancy an alcoholic drink, you can have Somersby cider or rosé with the afternoon tea. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and check out my Instagram at foodhunt.diary. See you next time. Bye!